I think my success in a tower farm as a residential grower is probably what inspired me to go ahead and take that leap to become a farm.
It was so therapeutic to me, so I fell in love with it.
At first it was fascination, and I was just, you would look at it and go, wow, I can really do this. We can't get enough of it. We put collard greens in our shake in the morning. You don't taste them, but they're the most nutritious green on the tower.
I'm so spoiled, and my family's so spoiled. It's hard for us to even eat salad from anywhere else.
My 9-year-old definitely tells me unless it comes off the tower garden, he's not going to eat it.
I work with local restaurants, I work with educational programs, I work with schools, and there really is no end to what we can do.
We've connected with at least 6 nonprofits. The majority of them give to the homeless.
It's a way to help the children, it's a way to help the seniors, it's a way to help the homeless, it's a way to help everyone.
We are helping educate the next generation about the importance of food, about the quality of their food, and about different technologies that allow them to grow.
And the new farming is using a lot less water, a lot less space, and super fast growth.
I do think it's the future. We are running out of farmers. All of our farmers are older, and we have a generation that's walking away. I really feel that the Tower Farms is an answer to that.
I go out there and I talk to them, I pray over them, I love on them, and they love me back.
I never grew before in my life, and now it's one of my biggest passions.
I am so excited and proud to be a tower farmer and living part of my dream.